In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the steering wheel on Forza Horizon 5 Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up any steering wheel that you have and play Forza Horizon 5. You will be able to do this on Xbox, but also any other platform such as PC where you can play the game. So all that you have to do to set up any steering wheel that you have is to connect the USB cable from the steering wheel to one of the available USB ports on your Xbox console. So regardless of the Xbox console that you have, either old gen or new gen, you should be able to find the USB ports available on the back of the console, or you can also check the front. So all that you have to do in there is connect them into any of these available USB ports. Ensure that if you have pedals, they are also securely attached to the wheelbase. And once connected, Forza Horizon 5 should automatically detect your steering wheel. You might see a notification on your screen if you connected them while you had the game open, or if they are not detected from the get-go or you want to check, go over to the settings, choose the options, and go into the controls category. Inside of the controls settings, you will be able to switch between game, pad, keyboard, and finally steering wheel. So check steering wheel as the main input. And now, if your steering wheel is detected, you will be able to customize it in the settings to your preferences. So you will be able to adjust the sensitivity, the dead zones, and button mapping to suit your driving style. So customize all of these, and if you aren't sure, you can look for presets on YouTube or other communities to see what people like to use. So you can copy those presets, and once everything is set up, you can get inside of a race and try it out. See if you like it, and if needed, make adjustments on the fly by opening up the control settings again. If your steering wheel supports force feedback, ensure that it is toggled on, and your steering wheel might also have pedal calibration, so you will be able to calibrate it so you can use the pedals appropriately. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect the steering wheel on Forza Horizon 5 Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.